Because the smoke can kill Gaga now, man. Watch it. Watch it, Christopher, watch it. Watch it, watch it. Watch the man, watch it in the room. Watch it on the back. Inside the room.
Put you out of the path, you know, never leave you alone. You know, so this is the next part, let's make you that strong, you know. But you will get past it.
Remember, no life was lost, so that's the main thing, alright?
Alright, then Shelly?
Thank you guys.
Yeah man, let's stay strong, right? Know what I call, man, you know. Just hold it up, man, we know it, you know.
Thank you guys.
Yes, I understand, but you will get it, yeah? We're definitely gonna be here on track.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Thing go, them say dream team, one team. What them say, boom?
Dream team, one team.
And that's energy, boom.
Yeah.
You know, energy. Roots. No soda.
No soda.
No soda. Hear that? Soda not good for you. Roots.
Strong.
Yeah, Rasta Jack see that say, yo, roots make you strong. So blessings are donors. You know, big up on yourself. You know, I know the thing guys are blessings for the donors, them for what they're doing to this program and to the people that in Trenchtown, you know, because if it wasn't for Uno, well, I'd probably be doing something else, you know, because I have a tank when I see me, I have to continue to make this engine keep fuel. Because if it wasn't for you, yeah, you, and all of you, that's what we say, yo, together we can make it work, you know. So you and you, if you get to put the thumbs up, remember, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You put the thumbs up. Yeah, you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. If you are represent for the positivity, and this is it, dream team. This is what we do. So we're here again in Trenchtown. We say, you know, we go. Whoa, chef say yes, man. Whoa, go in there. Whoa. Whoa, you can't see if I miss a whoa.
Oh, peace and one love for the youth.
Yeah.
You know?
So them say,
love for the team too, you know.
Them say peace, let peace reign in Trenchtown. Them say peace, and we say alright then, you know.
Rain that you are rain right now.
Yeah, so them say let the peace reign, so let the love shine, you know, let the love glow. Understand? So big up all viewers, all donors, you know. Dream team, one team. So don't forget to like and don't forget to share. You know, so today we're gonna pay a visit to Shelly. You know, Shelly, the girl that her house burned down. Yeah, so we're gonna pay a visit to her and see what's going on. So stay tuned. Shelly. Where are you going? How's it? The place kind of fence up. Oh, in here never get no chance to clean out yet or anything. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, this is another house.
Oh shit.
So,
Gosh.
so this
What caused this fire?
she don't even know what caused the fire.
Yeah.
She don't even know.
Hey, what? No one was home.
No. This is Shelly. Look, this is Shelly. Come
Shelly,
Shelly.
you right?
Yeah.
How far she just now? I can see you with the mask in the hand. You're right. You might elbow there because Corona. It's
Yeah.
Corona.
Yeah, so this is where she and her 4-year-old son live. Shelly, come here.
Shelly, when did this happen?
The 25th, September.
September.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn.
You see? And she said she never leave anything on neither. There was nothing that left on.
It's crazy.
And so we didn't say she lose everything, you know. Nothing never saved.
Nothing at all. But Kino, I'm wondering something, yeah? Is he like in Trenchtown, right? Look, so tell me something. And the next thing, there's been a few fires in Trenchtown over the next few days. So has anyone been at home and seen how it starts before? Is it or are they all when someone's out?
Yeah, it's always been someone's out because I think if you're there when it starts, then them have more chance of staving stuff. It's always after.
That makes it be peculiar, the fact that.
And then now you know the material that they use to build the house in Trenchtown, the ply and the wood.
Yeah.
Definitely would easy for sparks. You know?
Yeah. So like this one now, this can't be saved, innit? This is finished, right?
It is finished. Nothing can save. If this everything they have to take down, nothing not save. As you can see, everything is burned out, even the board, the zinc, the whole stuff. As you can see, nothing never saved at all. The whole thing saved is probably the flooring. You can know it's concrete. But otherwise, nothing. Yeah.
Story.
Yeah, this stuff is. Put the shirt in there, please.
Yeah, that's.
And
Where you staying now,
oh, so you try to clean it out.
Yeah, I that scrape up. I'm going to that scrape up.
Okay, so I can see like she try to clean up some of the areas.
Okay.
So this is everything like what she got. Because she have everything inside, she have a stove inside as
CDs
well.
and look, CDs and
Everything, clothes, even paperwork. So what about you try to sort out about the documents then?
Yeah, but I'm going to get them in.
You get them here. Yeah, that's a greatest thing at least we're trying, you know. So we try our best so far to see if we can get some support for her. Because she's a single mom, you know.
yeah.
And her baby father, he passed away as well too. He was a football coach. He used to coach me when I used to go primary school. Chris, you know, he coached a lot of kids about the area.
Well, how did he pass away?
Bone cancer.
Is it?
Bone cancer.
Yeah, cancer thing. So this was a door that they was trying to get off. Maybe if the door they come off in time, some things could have saved. Because she was a metal door.
Yeah.
It was taking a long time to come off. Very, very long time. And right.
So now you just got to down the thing and start again.
And then now, we have to find out now with our next fire again on the same block.
Yes.
Because someone else get burned out as well, you know, recently.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a pay a visit as well.
Yeah.
So, the Ellis them, they are aware of it.
Yeah.
As I can see right now, the struggle is even more real.
It's the start, and so you know already. I mean, life is the main thing, you know.
Yeah.
No one ever died in there. That's the main thing first, and then now you can just have to build back.
Rebuild.
You know what I mean? That's it. Slow, one cocoa.
Yeah.
After this, do.
After this too.
Yeah.
So you know, so far I collect some donation for you. Yeah. You can try to help our situation. Because it was kind of slow out there for some of the donors because of the pandemics. You know, most of them not even working. So no matter how small it is, it always start from somewhere. So we have to give thanks. So I got a few support for you as well too. So we just hope and pray like you can get from where you is now, so you can reach somewhere. So where you staying at the minute? You staying with someone? You staying with a relative?
Yeah, my sister.
Okay, till the time being. So you're planning to rebuild back right here? Okay, so you just have to worry about the funding. So you're gonna put back up ply, concrete. Might as well put the block, because there's no point going back there anymore. You know, and with finger crossed and prayers, you never know what can happen. You know, so all this on that free film. So I got some donation for you. Yeah, Shelly. So I got 6,500 from Mary D from the USA. 6,500 from Mary D, so count it. Her name is Mary D.
Mary D, I just want to say thank you very much for the support and continue to help. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Yeah. Well said. And you also have Shannon Dan from the USA, $5,000 for you. Shan and Dan. Count it.
Thank you very much, Shan and Dan. I really appreciate it. May God richly bless you.
Yeah, you also have $5,000 from Ivan from Canada. So that's 5,000 from Ivan from Canada.
Ivan, Dan, thank you very much. I am so blessed. Thank you. Continue to do good.
Yeah. Then you have the Raccoon family from the USA, $3,000 from the Raccoon family.
Raccoon family, it's not easy in this time to help someone, but thank you and God bless you.
Yeah, every time. And you have Claudia and family as well too. Claudia and family, $15,000 from Claudia and family.
Claudia and family, God bless you. Continue doing good.
Yeah. Then so that's all the donation I got for you for now. You know, till when time. If anything else comes up, I will keep you up to date. Same way.
I just want to thank you also, Kino.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for what you continue to do for us in Trenchtown.
Yeah, no problem, man. Thank you as well, you know, for all the faith saying, man, let's put in the fight, you know. I used to say you're a real fighter, so don't give up the fight. It might seem hard now, but you will get past it. The man always a father God gonna give more than we can bear. And the situation, yeah, he now put you out of the path, you know, he never leave you alone. You know, so this is the next part, let's make you that strong, you know. But you will get past it.
Remember, no life was lost, so that's the main thing, alright?
Alright then, Shelly?
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man, stay strong, right? Know what that call, man, you know. Just hold it up, man, you know it, you know.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, I understand, but you will get it, yeah? We're definitely going to be here and try to give you support as much as we can. No matter how small, we're going to try our best.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Yes. How's your son? Am I alright? Okay. How you might take it?
He might be a bit so him not really understand. He's just saying he want to go by him own son. That's it.
Yeah. I understand. So we're going to check out the next lady, her name Crystal. Her earth got bone as well too. So we're going to check it out. So I'll keep you up to date, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, let me show. Go on, show. Alright, sure.
Someone will put it out and no one's ready. Are you ready? Alright, now come on. The smoke I kill Gaga now, man. Watch it. Watch it, Christopher. Watch it. Watch it, man. Watch it. Watch it, man. Watch it in the room. Watch it on the bar. Inside the room. Eh? You ask them to run a back. Oh, try. Who will run a back, man? Inside, go on inside. Back on.
Perfect, come through.
Start.
Yeah.
Miley a black. Miley a black.
So it's Krista. Krista. Yes, and this is Krista, right?
Yes.
And literally this is next to Shelly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's right next to it. That's Shelly place right there. So.
This and this.
So when this happened?
The 16th of October.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Kino, see what? Yeah. I'm in the yard, innit?
Yeah.
With my nephew.
Yeah.
And I see him run out. Say fire. So something say follow. Let me follow him and see what's happening. When I come round here, all the man them are just throwing buckets of water in here, man. And the man them are deep inside, you know, where the fire is, you know, and furnace and throwing. I'm like, wow. I started to help out as well.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know me, I'm looking afraid, so I stayed
Yeah,
at the door.
yeah.
40 bucket and then I was here when Crystal turned up. And I saw when she saw the fire and I saw her reaction and it touched me, bro. I was like, shh. I was like, whoa. Like that. I don't know, just me seeing her see the fire kind of
makes you want to try.
Yeah, so Kino, like I went onto my Instagram page to all my fans.
Yeah.
To everyone on there and said, yo, I'm gonna give Crystal something small out of my pocket.
Yeah.
Can they match me?
Yeah.
So my goal was 100,000 Jamaican dollars. That was my goal.
Yeah.
That's £500, right?
Yeah.
So I put 250 of my money
and they will
asked them if they put 250, right?
Yeah.
That was 24 hours ago only, you know. I asked that.
Yeah.
And then
So basically, after you see what happened, you went on your Instagram, which is your platform.
Somebody filmed the fire. So I posted that on my Instagram, so they could see me throwing the buckets and everything, and it was all unplanned. Someone filmed it, and I said, "Yo, send me that. I want to show the world." And we was here working, and it was just real. It was real time and real incident, real terrible thing that happened.
That's your first experience.
I've seen anything like this. You know, I come from London, and we don't really see. You know, fire happens and the brigade are there in 2 minutes.
Yeah, in less than 2 minutes.
You know what I mean? So seeing my friend them Cockereds throwing water, I'm like, wow, that man you're brave, and it's just touching. My nephew Stephen throwing water, and all the man them was helping out, and I saw her come. I saw her turn the corner with her daughter, and they were really distraught. And I thought, you know, I can do something, you know. And as you know, Kino, just like your program, it's the 1-1 coca that makes the thing happen.
Make it happen,
It
no matter how small it is, they will.
You know, and people sent me all kind of donations, large and small, and it was just so. I felt so good to know that.
So you can reach out. So basically, what was this like a room, right? 1 room?
No, 2 room, kitchen, bathroom, living room.
So yeah, kitchen and bathroom. Obviously the kitchen there, and the bathroom not over there, so.
You know what I mean? Toilet over there, bro.
So there was another room right here, so 2 rooms.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy.
And nothing never gets saved at all, nothing at all. So.
No, the washing machine safe.
Washing machine.
Outside.
Oh, outside.
The outside already. Yeah.
But even the washing machine, I mean.
So Shelly, so tell me something. How much kids you have? Crystal, sorry. How much kids you got?
3.
3.
How much kids? Sorry, when we reach 3, must have planned to read again.
Single mother, right?
Yeah.
Single mother.
Yes.
Because I know this kind of affect you in our way, right?
Yeah.
Affect you in our way. Because we can understand. And Christopher is no stranger to helping out anyone that's in need of any help, because he done the same as well for what's her name? Miss Dana?
Yeah.
But nice, this time it wasn't the platform, and he was just between him and his family that done a fundraise for Miss Dana. And the program that I know him have a good heart like that for trying to reach out for people. So as he was explaining to me that he went on Instagram, you know, because him see the need.
Yeah, bro.
Because knowing you know with the heart that you have, you're gonna try and reach out.
Yeah, bro.
You know, because you see the condition.
Anything at all is accepted, you know.
Yeah, so from there and then now, in reach out. You got the paper? Yeah, so reach out.
So Kino, 100,000 was my target, you know, and I was happy with that. I think, wow, if I give 100,000, that'll be sick.
Yeah.
And my fans and all you guys who follow me on Instagram, you guys helped me to reach this.
Yeah.
So we surpassed 100,000. So
after you ask your fans, then you know.
Yeah.
To do a raise where you can give her. It was only £500 he was asking for, and you just gonna show them the substantial amount.
This is so past quarter million.
Yeah. Oh, so it's only one mistake right there. So it wasn't meant to be the pound sign. It meant to be the dollar sign.
Even I missed that.
Yeah.
That's so I'm excited about the whole thing. Even I missed that.
Basically, you raised 308,000 Jamaican dollars. So it's not pound. Yeah. For correction. Yeah. So it was 308,000 Jamaican dollar.
Kino, I was so excited that even I missed that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So so
that's the figure.
Crystal, it's for you.
300
and what am I saying to you?
It's all in the bank.
I can only take out 100,000 each day.
Each day, yeah.
So this is 100,000 here.
Tomorrow
I'll give 100 again, and next day 100 again. And then I give it 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So Crystal, you can just count it and you can see this is 100.
In fact, that's 109.
109. Yeah, that was true.
Keegan, come count it, no?
Keegan, somebody can help her count. And then.
Them man they use the money.
Yeah, quick and fast.
I bet you the Keegan.
Keegan, you see.
Like I said, right? 109.
Yeah. So
I'll give her 299.
100 each day then, because you know you can't withdraw so much.
199, sorry. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, so I'll give you 100 tomorrow, 100 again. Because the bank won't let you take more out each time.
So what I want you to do to just thank all the people that reach out from Christopher platform, just to thank them.
Yeah, because they're gonna see this
support.
They're gonna see this video. So I feel very appreciative, and just for you, and I feel happy that we can do this small thing to start off and just help you to rebuild your life, you know, because it's more than just the material stuff, it's the sentimental side.
Yeah,
to your
yeah.
home.
Your home,
You
yeah.
understand? And yeah, we feel good that we can do that, and yeah, we hope that you can give back, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
So, I know you're probably camera shy. I understand that, you know, viewers. So I can see you're camera shy. So we understand. So you can just say what you're gonna say with a bit of gratitude, you know.
I want to say thanks to Christopher Ellis fans and friends. Help, I give a thanks towards this structure of my build back.
Yeah.
What's up on your lip? That's it.
Thank you very much to all.
Alright then, so we can see that she's a bit camera shy, you know.
Yeah,
so,
no worries, man.
And Christopher can just thank his fans them, you know, that reach out towards
Thank
Crystal.
you so much. Trust me. I mean, I tell everyone all the time, you know, the people who send the small donations like £5, £10, they always apologize, like sorry, no.
There's no sorry.
I appreciate the £10, the same as the £50,
Yeah.
the £70. It's
I could
all
have
the
even
same.
£5.
Exactly, because it's the fact that you even have the mind to do that. You know,
Thoughts that count.
that is major to me, and it shows that the world still has so much empathy and people with compassion. And thank you all, you know. And I'm not no big star or nothing, but I'm on my way, and
Yeah.
this is how I like to use the platform.
Yeah,
You understand? And thanks again. And big up all of the Dream Team as well, and Kino, all of Kino's donors, and I'm with you guys all the way, and this
Yeah,
is just
yeah.
awesome, and I feel really good. So big up.
So, boy, we really have to thank Christopher Ellis again and the Ellis family. We'll give him a round of applause for the good deed that he's done, you know, because it's not the first time, you know.
It's not
It's
it's not about me though, but
and then
thank you.
again, it's about helping the needy in the same community that his dad born and grew from, and him also come experience the same. You know, say he never turn him back. Eh? What this year? Oh. So you remember say this year the band, Christopher? Oh, him father. Oh, Alton band.
Wait, sorry, what is it? This one or this one? Wait.
This one.
This right here?
Yeah,
This one.
You're lying. No.
Alright, you see that now?
Chances of that. No, you know what it is? I knew that it was somewhere around here.
This is the year that your dad was born.
That is mad.
You know? And you see
I
that?
didn't even know that. I knew it was one of these, but I didn't know it was this one.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? So
See, that's what it works, you know, the energy works like that, you know.
crazy.
And there was a reason why you're here as well for that day.
Crazy, Kino.
You know, that's how it works.
Crazy,
You know, that's how it works. You know, you see, I'm thinking of one team, you know. There's no I'm team. There's one team,
course.
you know. And once you're in Trenchtown, it's the same team. Not because we name Dream Team. It's supposed to name Trenchtown Team,
Yeah.
really, you know. Because we are trying to give back to the people that we grew up with and
Yes,
where we're from.
yes,
So
General.
it's really a blessing, man, Ellis, you know. I know you're gonna definitely continue the good work.
Yeah, bro.
So viewers them, you know, as I said, this is a man with a golden heart, just like anyone in the Dream Team crew and anyone that's willing to help, just like the
Kino, big
donor
up, you know.
done. Every
Yeah,
time,
respect,
man.
bro. Respect.
Yeah, man, respect you will see me, you know. You help we. You know, you help me and the team see me.
Yes, bro.
So it's good. So it's somewhere we can start from and build from.
Yeah, bro.
You know, once we can get the support.
Yeah, man. It's Crystal.
So Crystal,
Once
wish you
again,
all the best, yeah?
Baby, blessed. All right.
Alright then, so we'll just want to get the rest up. Yeah, so this is the start. This is it.
Big program, no better.
I care about my cousin. We are always cousin.
Are you a bigger cousin?
Yeah?
Okay.
We are always cousin. They are feel.
I know them situation is very painful. I never experienced it, man.
No, I never experienced
But I know
it
it's
like that.
painful when
bad
time
when
you
we-
lose. 'Cause if you last $5, you're gonna feel it. But imagine when you lose your comfort.
One time I come and I sick, and I did there when time disabled. And I feel it much less fear place.
And now your blood, you know.
God. I'm never there. I come see the fire brigade. I drop me almost drop down. There I feel my cousin.
Man, go and comfort her, say me, yeah?
Hold on. Listen up. Yeah. I was bored and I switched out to the
To the worst.
To the worst.
Oh, the worst. Because you can't see the fire try to penetrate, man. You can't see literally the fire.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.